ORICO 9858T3, 5-bay Thunderbolt beast for 330 terabytes and 8K editing. Feeling crushed under mountains of video footage, massive datasets, or slow storage solutions? Frustrated when backups crawl and editing projects stall? IT pros and creative studios struggle daily with unreliable enclosures that choke workflow and waste hours. Every slow transfer or dropped connection is a mental block, distracting from the art of creation and precision work you need to deliver. Project pressures pile up, rendering pipelines grind, and stress levels spike. Missed frame-perfect edits, lagging backups, or incomplete archives can derail productivity and frustrate clients. Creative teams and data managers feel the pressure mounting, as traditional storage simply can't keep pace. The pain isn't just inconvenient, it's costly, stressful, and relentless. Without the right tools, workflow efficiency is permanently compromised. Meet the ORICO 9858T3 external 5-bay hard drive enclosure, a professional-grade powerhouse built for Thunderbolt 3 and 4 workstations. With 40 gigabits per second high-speed transfer, daisy chaining support, and massive expandable storage up to 330 terabytes, it turns your data chaos into a streamlined workflow. Need 4K or 8K video output? The DP 1.4 port handles dual 4K 60Hz or single 8K 30Hz effortlessly. Its aluminum alloy body and intelligent 80mm fan keep drives cool during sustained editing marathons, while a 150-watt power supply ensures stability across all 5 drives. One videographer shared, "I was mid-project on an 8K film, and the ORICO enclosure kept multiple editors synced without a hiccup. Total lifesaver." Easy toolless drive installation, rock-solid Thunderbolt connectivity, and multi-drive daisy chaining create a seamless hub for data-intensive workflows. Whether archiving, editing, or streaming massive datasets, this enclosure is your professional storage command center. Upgrade your workflow with unparalleled speed, capacity, and flexibility. The ORICO 9858T3 supports 5 SATA drives up to 22 terabytes each, enabling vast libraries for video, photos, or research data. Experts highlight its 40 gigabits per second transfer rate, daisy chaining for up to 6 devices, and versatile DP output as a rare combo in one sleek enclosure. Influencers rave, "It's my studio's central hub. Multiple editors, 4K footage, daisy chain devices, it just works." Analysts note the aluminum alloy build and intelligent cooling ensure consistent performance under heavy loads, while real users report silent operation, toolless drive swaps, and seamless Mac or Windows integration. Curious how it handles massive 8K video workflows? Professionals confirm it doesn't stutter, even under simultaneous transfers. With stable power from its built-in 150-watt PSU, it effortlessly supports multiple drives and extended sessions without overheating. The ORICO 9858T3 isn't just storage, it's a productivity engine. Whether editing feature films, managing petabytes of scientific data, or running high-performance backups, it keeps your projects moving. This enclosure blends speed, durability, and versatility to create a true all-in-one data hub. Don't let your data slow you down. Secure the ORICO 9858T3 today. Join video editors, IT pros, and creative studios already experiencing lightning-fast transfers, massive 330 terabytes expansion, and seamless 4K and 8K output. Act now to upgrade your setup. With daisy chaining, toolless drive trays, and a cooling system that keeps drives whisper quiet, this enclosure is the ultimate professional storage solution. Seize this chance to future-proof your workflow and elevate your editing game. Grab yours before it's gone.